Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and in this video today I'm going to review a new product launch. Actually there are two products and it's by the brand Maybelline. So India mein ye pehli baar launch ho rahe hain and I'm very excited about it. So these are the new products from Maybelline. So one is their 36 hours tattoo brow pencil. इसमें 3 shades available हैं, and the other one is 3-day tattoo brow styling gel, and इसमें you are getting 4 different shades. I have always said in my videos every time that without doing your eyebrows, your whole makeup look is incomplete, and I am always searching for good brow products, and I'm super excited about this one, and I'm gonna try it and show how much difference it makes when you use the right brow product on yourself. So I'm gonna tell you how you can choose a good brow shades for yourself as per Indian skin tone and Indian hair. If you have fair skin and you have darker hair, then don't go with very dark and jet black or dark colors. I would always suggest you to go for lighter browns or grays for your brows ताकि वो natural look आए. अगर आपके बाल बहुत jet black हैं and you are around dusky complexion, then you can definitely go for the darker grays and darker browns, and black is totally no for the brows because they look very harsh. And in this range you get 3 shades of tattoo brow 36-hour pigment pencil. So one is light brown, then we have natural brown, and then we have gray brown. I personally prefer medium brown or gray brown for myself because I come under medium skin tone. I'm not under fair, and my hair are dark, they are not blonde and they're not very lightly colored. Then we have this range which is 3-day styling gel. Yes, you're hearing me right. This is 3-day tattoo brow gel, and it can stay up to 3 days on your eyebrows, and it will not go, it will not smudge, and it will be intact. It comes in 4 shades. I personally prefer gray brown for me. It comes in 4 shades. This is warm brown, then we have medium brown, and then we have gray brown, and lastly we have deep brown. So now I'm just going to demonstrate how it works and how you should do your brows. So basically pencil gives you very defined look, whereas the brow tattoo gel gives you very fuller and bushy looking eyebrows. So आप अपने हिसाब से choose कर सकते हैं what you want to achieve. I'm going to use both and show you how much difference it makes. Eyebrows makes a huge difference on your face. So I'm just gonna take a pencil. This is gray brown in shade. This is how the pencil looks like. One side there's a spoolie to brush your eyebrows with, and the other side it is a precise pencil to fill your brows in. So this is how I like to do my brows. I just brush my brows from bottom to top like this. Then I take the pencil side and I start stroking hair-like strokes from the bottom of my eyebrow, and I mainly fill my middle and last part first, and then I move to the front because front में आपके जो brows हैं थोड़े से lighter होने चाहिए. And when I come to the front, I change the angle of my eyebrow pencil to upwards and I fill them upwards, and you can already see how much difference it's making. And when I'm happy with the filling, I just take my spoolie, which is with the pencil, and I just brush it just to blend in everything, and you can see how defined my brows are looking. Look at the comparison. And now I'm just gonna show you how you can use their new tattoo brow gel, which is 3-day styling gel. So I'm gonna again take the shade called gray brown, and you can see how it looks. It comes in a tube like this, and it has a very tiny mascara kind of wand, which is perfect for styling your eyebrows, and it will make your eyebrows stay in place for a very long period. So I'm just gonna start brushing upwards, and you will see how instantly my eyebrows will start looking bushy. So I'm just gonna brush it upwards. Can you see the difference in my brows? They started looking bushy, or you can compare it with my other brow, how much difference it made, and it just changes your whole look. You look put together when you have a good brow compared to this. So definitely I'm loving it. The gel comes in 4 shades and the pencil comes in 3 shades, and you can actually choose the shade according to you. And look how pretty my eyebrows are looking. So I'm just gonna do my other eye and I'll be back. And here you can see the difference it made to my brows. My brows are looking much more fuller and bushier, which I love. So I am back with the other brow as well, and they look so natural, yet they look so fuller and defined. So it totally depends on you what look you want to achieve. If you want a defined look, I would definitely ask you to go for the pencil, and if you want a fuller, bushier looking styled eyebrows, then go for their styling gel. The styling gel has 2 kinds of bristles, the short bristle and the long bristles. The short bristles actually helps to color the brows, whereas the long bristles are to shape your brows. They are easy to apply and they are smudge free, and you can also remove them by using a waterproof makeup remover. So this claims to be smudge proof, transfer proof, mistake proof and waterproof. Now we're just gonna see whether they smudge or not. So let's test these eyebrows. So I'm just gonna start smudging my eyebrow. Oh my god, they are intact. There's nothing on my finger coming off and they're not smudging. I'm super impressed, and same goes with here. So definitely they are smudge proof and transfer proof. So it's a thumbs up from my side. So I highly recommend Maybelline new eyebrow pencil and the styling brow gel. And if you're looking for a good brow product, you can go and check out, and I will be providing all the links in the description box. Definitely check it out. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for my video, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy and stay healthy. So that's it for today's video. I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.